Hey guys, are you still jumping between different websites and tools just to turn a simple idea into a video? If that sounds like you, stop right there, because Wondershare Filmora has just made things a whole lot easier. With its latest update, Filmora introduces a powerful new AI feature called AI Idea to Video that turns your thoughts, scripts, or even just a sentence into a complete editable video. Whether you're a content creator, social media manager, student, or someone who just wants to visualize an idea quickly, this feature is built to save you time and spark your creativity. Before we get started, make sure you have the latest version of Filmora 14 installed on your computer. If you haven't done that yet, simply visit the official Wondershare Filmora website, download the installer, and follow the steps to set it up. Once you're ready, launch Filmora. Once Filmora is open, select AI Idea to Video. This will launch the AI workspace where all the magic happens. Now that you're inside the AI Idea to Video tool, you'll see a large text input box. Here you can either copy and paste your entire video script if you already have it written, or simply type in a short description or idea. Below the input box, you'll find the video duration settings. Then, choose your preferred language for the video. This is especially useful for global creators. Click Launch AI Script. This will initiate the story parsing and begin building the video scenes automatically. After launching the script, Filmora's AI will generate a complete breakdown of your idea into individual scenes. Each scene comes with a short description and placeholder visuals. You can click Edit on any of these scenes to modify the script content or update the scene description if you want to fine-tune the narrative. Once everything is in place, click on the Generate button and let the AI start creating your video. Depending on the length and complexity of your input, this may take a minute or two. When the video is ready, it will appear directly in the Filmora editing timeline. You'll find the storyboard, which lets you refine the text, replace images, modify the script, or even change the video style if you want to try a different look. You can also add your own transitions, apply cinematic effects, and even use color grading tools to enhance the visual appeal. You can fully customize it. Simply double-click on it and you can edit subtitles, styles, and change font color and more. You can add music in the video, subtitles effect, and more.
Oliver wakes up as the sun peeks through the curtains. Oliver brushes its teeth in the toilet. Then Oliver cycles to work. Oliver had its breakfast at its workspace. Then Oliver starts working. After work, Oliver leaves its office.
Once you're happy with your final result, just click Export, choose the video format and resolution, and you're good to go. Your idea has now been transformed into a full-fledged video without needing any additional tools, apps, or editing software. So there you have it, your complete guide to using Filmora's AI Idea to Video feature. Compared to other AI video tools like Kling, Dreamina, and Runway, Filmora stands out as the first platform to combine AI video generation and editing in one place. Filmora doesn't just generate videos, it creates a complete editable project with AI-generated voiceover, context-aware B-roll, mood-matching music, auto-generated subtitles, and smooth transitions with animated text. With just a few clicks, Filmora gives you a polished final video that's ready to post. No need for advanced skills or extra software. And here is the good news. Write hashtags Filmora in the comments, and you'll get some cool gifts from the download link. If you're a new user and sign up, you'll get 3 days of free exports without watermark, instantly. If you're a new user and export a video, you'll also get 200 points added the next day. Start creating stunning videos instantly with Filmora. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.